Alright guys, in this video this is going to be more of a useful tips, more so than a how-to. So, you see there, put 3-inch wheel spacer in the front. So, whatever, all the videos I've seen, everybody put this in first, these 3 bolts, bolts. And then, they would try to get the bottom strut bolt in last. Well, I couldn't get that to save my life. So, what I did was, I ended up putting that strut bolt in first, prying down on the control arm, and forcing it in that way, and then lining it up. Helped me a whole lot. I know a lot of trucks, you can't do this because this little thing goes down too far. But yeah, and another thing, I wasn't told this, but it depends on which wheels you have. You actually have to get wheel spacers. Those are 1.5-inch wheel spacers. I had to get wheel spacers because my tire was actually rubbing on this control, or this arm here, and also was rubbing on the frame right there. So, and then I'll just show you the back. I don't really have many useful tips on the back. It's pretty straightforward. In case you didn't already know. On the top of this little mount here, it's going to be like a guide pin in the center. So in return, there comes a guide pin right here on the top of this block, which is a 2-inch block, by the way. And so I did one side at a time. You gotta take your shock off. You gotta take a little bumper off, and yep. And then the axle's gonna come loose and do all kinds of weird things. I just got I put a little jack under the axle, the rear end there, and then I also got like ratchet straps. I'd wrap it around the axle and then hook it somewhere else on the truck and ratchet on it to help me guide the thing to line it up. But it's fairly simple. Make sure you do torque these bolts down. And yep, that's it. Thank you.